To access your TSB Bank credit card account online, follow this step-by-step guide to TSB Bank credit card login. First, ensure you have a device with a stable internet connection and a supported web browser. Begin by navigating to the TSB Bank website, where you will find the Login section. Click on the Login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the web page. Next, select the credit card option from the available account types. You will be redirected to a secure login page where you need to enter your username and password. If you are a new user, you may need to register first by clicking on the Register button and following the on-screen instructions. Once you have entered your login credentials, click on the Login button to access your account. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you may be prompted to enter a verification code sent to your registered phone or email. After successful login, you can view your credit card account balance, transaction history, and make payments. You can also update your account settings, such as changing your password or updating your contact information. To ensure the security of your account, always use a strong and unique password, and avoid using public computers or public Wi-Fi to access your account. Regularly review your account activity and report any suspicious transactions to TSB Bank immediately. In case you forget your username or password, you can use the Forgot Password option on the login page to reset your credentials. You can also contact TSB Bank customer support for assistance with any issues related to your credit card account. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely and easily access your TSB Bank credit card account online and manage your finances effectively.